I inspected the spiral cable, which is clock spring, and it turned out it has no issue with that, but the airbag is still on. I checked this airbag module on the steering wheel. That one also looked good. They had two different cable, yellow and orange color. They both had a good resistance at 2.2 ohms. So everything seems to be fine, but I couldn't really find the reason why I still have the solid airbag warning light. Last time we checked the seats, so seats should be fine. So today I'm gonna check the pre-tensioner as well. Let's get it. Alright, we're gonna remove this first. Here again, to pop it up. Not necessarily remove all the way this out. Oh. Yeah, we can remove this panel front again. Okay, those two doesn't look to have any issue because it's pretty much solid in. You can use a flat screwdriver and squeeze out the plastic piece like this. You can actually pop this out. Okay, but I just want to know how it comes out. Alright, now I can clearly see there is additional one pre-tensioner front left hand. That's the one I disconnected, and number 2 pre-tension front left hand, that's the another one I just removed it. So this indicates that the both cable underneath of the seat as well as pre-tensioners at the seat belt has nothing to do with my current issue. My current issue is only relating to the B0001 13 and B0002 13, which is relative to steering wheel airbag. That could be either the steering wheel airbag module itself or clock spring, which I confirm they both look normal to me, and my last bet is changing or resetting of the airbag module.